Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sparkling Future. Today we will discuss about some shuffle operations. So before moving on, please subscribe to my channel and give your valuable comments on the content. So the available Spark shuffle operations are these are the list of shuffle operations that are available in Spark. We have seen in the last video as well. And in this video we will discuss about one of the shuffle operations, which is fold by key. So fold by key is a shuffle operation which is used for applying aggregate operations based on keys. So it also merges the values for each key using an associative function and a neutral zero value which may be added to the result as arbitrary number of times and must not change the result, like addition. If we are performing addition, we will add it as 0 because when how many times we add 0 to the addition, the result will be same. Similarly, we will add 1 for when we are performing the multiplication. So in such case, how many times we perform that operation into 1, then the same output will be the same. So let's write some sample code to understand it programmatically. So this is the sample code that we are going to discuss today. I actually added fold as well to just to verify in which case we use fold and in which case we use fold by key. So fold is also another operation which is actually similar to reduce, and we can perform any function here. But the main difference between fold and reduce is reduce will not take any parameters, only I mean like initial value, but whereas fold takes this initial value and the same whatever function we are going to apply for on top of that RDD, so that we need to specify here, whereas for reduce we can directly use it without any parameters as well. So coming to here, I have created a list. I am taking one list. So here I am trying to get the maximum out of this a maximum number of values. Like here, this is the maximum out of this given input, and I am adding that list and I am creating an RDD, and I am giving the initial value as 0. And then I am applying this fold on top of it RDD. So usually in which cases we need to perform fold is, for example, in an RDD, if you wanted to perform any particular operations between two columns from that RDD, in such cases we can perform this fold. And here I am just verifying which one is greater. Then I mean if it is greater, state is greater, then I mean this second value is greater, print this, else print the accumulator value. And I am printing this max RDD. So this is how we declare and use the fold method. And similarly fold by key. So fold by key usually we use when we need to perform some aggregations based on the key values. And here if you see the example that I have taken, I am taking the same list but I am duplicating the values because I wanted to perform some aggregation based on the key here. And say I am creating the RDD. Initial value I have taken is at 0 because I am performing the addition here. So this fold by key, it is taking the 0 initial value and some function here, and this function is like associative function which aggregates all the values, and also the same function will be applied within the partition and also across the partitions. And then finally I am printing the output. Now let's run this and see the output. And if you see here, for the first println, it is printing max is because the value is maximum out of the available two elements. It is printing this value here. And the second one is it should aggregate and print. So if you see for Brazil, it's summing up 34 plus 26 which is 60, and USA 50 plus 34 which is 84, and for India 28 plus 45 it is 73. So these aggregated values are printed here. So in earlier videos we have seen reduce by key as well. It's the similar, but only thing is that we use the initial value here, and not much difference between these two. And also whatever is the type of input RDD, it returns the same output when we use the reduce by key or fold by key. So hope these two queries will give you very good understanding about how fold and fold by key works, friends. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting queries. Thank you.